not your mama though. Look, I deal with the pencils, I deal with the books. Snotty noses and crying, I'm shook. If you like me and you need a hand, I know fair, I got the master plan. Coolest teacher in the land, the coolest teacher in the land. You say it's you? Stop playing. I'm coolest teacher in the land, coolest teacher in the land, coolest teacher in the land. From the A to the H, from the D to Japan, coolest teacher in the land. Yo, what's up, y'all? You already know it's Chef Praise back in the kitchen again. So look, we are officially on summer vacation, which means I ain't doing nothing, all right? So for June and July, you're only gonna get one cooking video a month because I'm relaxing, but we'll be back full force in August. Now, this whole quarantine, I started binge watching The Sopranos, and I absolutely love it. And one of the best parts about The Sopranos is the way they be eating. Y'all, they be eating so good. Everything looks so good. They be, hey, I need the Sunday gravy. Give me some of the gabagool, eh? All of that. So, I'm going to give you a really simple, beautiful little Italian salad today. You're gonna love it. I love it. It's simple. Remember, you're a confident cook because you're a confident teacher. So let's get at it. Now, who we got on vinyl, y'all? It's BB and CC. It's BB and CC. This album right here, what is on this album? Let's see. Oh, we got I'm Lost Without You. So don't ever, is he talking about Jesus or we don't know. And this also has Hold Up the Light, which is a song they sang with the voice, Whitney Elizabeth Nippy Houston. Good album right here. Remember, y'all ain't gonna hear nothing. Go check it out for yourself. All right, so what do we have for our Italian salad? We have some nice baby arugula already washed, ready to go. Some cherry tomatoes. We have some fresh mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to show y'all the difference between fresh mozzarella and the one that y'all normally buy. We have a little Parmesan cheese, some white balsamic. If you have regular balsamic, use that as well. Olive oil. We got some salt, some pepper, and Tony Soprano will say we got a little bit of salami and the prosciutto, okay? The salami, the prosciutto, you know what I'm saying? Get out of here. All right, so let's get it started. We already have our arugula in here ready to go. We're just gonna leave that in here. Now I'm gonna take these cherry tomatoes that I've already washed and then dump them on my fabulous cooking board. And before I can cut anything, y'all already know iron sharpens iron. Sharpen those knives. I want to know, put in the comments if you've been practicing the knife sharpening skills, okay? I'm telling you, they change the game. Wipe off these steel shavings, and we're just gonna cut them in half. Cut them in half. Have them look like this. Drop them in there. All right, go ahead and do it for all of the tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes, they're so sweet. We're gonna move on to our mozzarella cheese. Now, normally mozzarella cheese, if you look in the regular cheese section, it already comes shredded or it comes in a block that you have to slice. Fresh mozzarella comes in a ball form, it comes in water, and it looks like this. I love fresh mozzarella. Pizza with fresh mozzarella, anything with fresh mozzarella is amazing. The cheese is super soft, and so we're just gonna cut it in some strips like this. And then after we finish cutting up this ball in strips, we're going to lay them on top of each other and then cut them into cubes. Like I said, it's super soft. Oh my goodness, it tastes so fresh. I cannot wait till I go to Italy one day so I can just eat my way through and eat all the mozzarella cheese that I possibly can. So when you chop it up, it'll look like this now. And then we're going to break them up and throw that into our bowl as well. So we have our arugula, our cherry tomatoes, and our mozzarella ready to go. Now, mozzarella slices and some bigger tomatoes. If you put that together with some basil leaves, that's a basic caprese salad. Another amazing salad y'all can add to your repertoire. Now, our meat. Hey, we got the prosciutto and the salami, all right? I absolutely love prosciutto. It is my favorite cured meat. It has this nutty quality. It's salty. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. So this is how it comes out. And the way we're gonna cut it is kind of roll it up like so. And then we're gonna do what's called chiffon. So when you chiffon something, you roll it up, and then when you cut it, it comes out in strips. So just rolled up like this, we're gonna take our knife and just go across. We get beautiful strips of prosciutto, like we do, like people do, like that. Y'all see? All right. So we're just gonna throw it in there. So we are just going to make it rain with prosciutto for this salad. I'm telling y'all, I could eat that whole pack super quick, but prosciutto is not cheap, so I'm not doing that. Okay, unless anybody want to sponsor me, then I can get all the prosciutto I want. I'm just saying, you have not because you ask not. Once again, we in the Bible. All right, so we adding our prosciutto to this amazing salad, and now we're gonna add our salami. Now I'm using sliced Italian dry salami. I kind of like the taste of this better. Then have that cheap taste. Comes like this. It's beautiful. We're gonna do the same thing. Roll them up together, and then cut slices. It's a little bit easier to cut because it's a little drier. So we got it. Boom. Got those beautiful strips. Oh, like the people be doing it. There it is. And we're gonna drop it like it's hot right into our salad. Hey y'all, we're almost done. So let's season it up. We're gonna take some coarse sea salt. Now, one of my friends actually asked me, where can you get salt like this? Literally anywhere, any supermarket. I love using coarse sea salt. To me, it's better than the iodized stuff. But remember, you do what you want. Work out your own salvation in fear and trembling. Add some black pepper. You already know. All right. Take some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful white balsamic. Remember, if you have regular balsamic, you can use that. Regular, I can't talk today, I'm hungry. And then we are going to add some olive oil to that. Just drizzle it like so. And then I have a few leaves of fresh basil that I'm just gonna do a rough chop on. Just rough chop, rough chop. Nothing crazy. Sprinkle that in, and now we're just gonna toss the salad. Now I like doing it this way rather than making the dressing separate, because it just all gets mixed in together. It's easier. I ain't got to clean as much. If you were taking this for lunch, you would want to put the tomatoes in something separate and the dressing in something separate, or else your salad would get soggy by the time you get to work. So boom, just like that, we're done. Y'all know we gotta do it for the grisam. So we have our beautiful plate, and we always want to start in the middle. Just drop it in there, and it looks amazing. It looks like Italy. Okay, you got the red, the white, and the green all over. Oh my goodness! This salad screams summer. We going into summer. This salad screams summer. I know you've been in quarantine. If you need something fresh, just something to give you a nice pick-me-up, that's what this salad is for. Get all the prosciutto out of here because it's expensive. And boom, we are done. Do you see this? Oh my goodness, do you see it? Do you see it? I'm gonna top it off with some. Gonna top it off with some Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle over the top. And one more hit of some black pepper. And boom, we in there. That is it. Okay, you can go to a restaurant and pay like $10 for a salad like this. Or you can just buy the ingredients for $10 and make the salad all week. Boom, nice summer Italian salad is right there. Hey, y'all have a good summertime. Chef Praise, little teacher in the land, baby. I'm out. Let's go.